Welcome back to my channel! So for today's video, magre-relax na naman tayo. We are here at Golden Phoenix Hotel, yung malapit sa MOA. Okay, iba talaga pag may mga friendship tayong kakaiba. Okay, yun lang! So, let's start for the room tour. Kasi manonood kami ng fireworks mamaya. Kaya kami nandito. Okay, so, from the door, let's go to the CR. Direct. Okay, toiletries, maybe they are providing shampoo, shower gel, and naka-rain shower siya, and telephone shower, yeah. And towel provided. And then, we have, come here, Joanne. Ako na, dahil ba makikita ka? Yeah. Na nahihiya si Direk. Hello there. Ayan, may toiletries dito. Ayan. Okay, let's continue. Galing tayo sa CR. Nag-doorbell lang kasi nanghingi lang ako ng additional toiletries and towel. Okay, we have a full body mirror here. Yan. And then, we have here, provide sila ng water, ikaw, coffee, tea, and sugar, eclaverva. Then, for the snacks, may bayad siya ha. It's not free. There. Then, they have ref. Nilagay na namin yung water dyan. Lagay ko na rin yung water dito. Okay. And for the wardrobe nga pala, may as usual. Ano yun, Direk? Ano yun? Nakakabobo minsan. Basta yun. Anong tawag din muna? Bathrobe! Tanga lang. O yan. Ayan. Tapos meron silang, so this is a deluxe room. So meron kaming 2 double beds. Ayan. Okay, yan. Yan. TV. So kasha dalawa. Dalawa tao talaga. Yan. TV. And wala namang laman yung mga drawer nila. Just lang naman yan. Oh, yeah. Okay. Sa kahit yung galalat na, may gamit namin. Tapos yun yung aircon nila. I was expecting lang yung, parang sa hotel talaga nakatago yung aircon, ganun. Pero okay na rin. Then, for the view, we have Sea Residences. Yan. Nasa tapat tayo ng Sea Residences. Na araw. Dami nag-swimming sa kabila. Okay. So, yun lang. So, tomorrow, breakfast. Tapos magsaswimming kami. Pero manonood ko na kami ng fireworks mamayang gabi. Excited na ako. Nakatagilid na sa direct. Okay, I'll see you again for the breakfast. Bye!